What's up, YouTube family? Yes, your boy do look like the boy off Assassin's Creed, my boy. I want to get the sun out your face. Alright, so look, your boy got to go to work in a little bit. Feel what I'm saying? So, basically, we going to do a little quick overview of my baby right quick. So,
as y'all boys seen earlier in the shit, right?
As y'all boys did not see, we put the original hub caps on that bit. It may look a little ugly, but from afar, they look good though. You know what I'm saying? I put them on both sides. Feel what I'm saying? Ting, ting. Feel what I'm saying? Can't be mad at the. It's OG. It is OG. You can't be mad because them flotation devices are OG. Dang, my doors was just open. As you boys can see, man, I'm in that bit, bro. I'm in that bit, man. Let's close her up, man. We're gonna go for a little drive right quick. Let's close her up, man. Let's close her. Get a little fresh air in here, man. We're gonna just go around the corner right quick. Damn, I got a wood. Measure just a little bit. Just enough. All right, y'all. I'm gonna kick her up, man. We gonna spin her around the block one time, my boy. We gonna spin around the block one time. Y'all know I don't like to be out here all day. I got bad pulleys on her. I gotta put a new alternator in there, and I gotta get a new carburetor. I need to do an oil change, and that's the reason. See, she not squeaking no more. So now that she not squeaking no more, y'all thought she couldn't drive because she started up? Listen, y'all thought she couldn't drive because she. Watch her, hold on. I just want to let you boys know, man. This what y'all get for talking too soon, man. Just watch the video. Man, look at this. Somebody come look at this. I told y'all, do not speak too fast, bro. Please, bro. As you boys seen, man, we have a problem. We got a problem. That motherfucker start idling a little bit. He wouldn't go up. Well, that was a little fail. Yeah, that was a fail. That was a major league fail, boys. Listen, that was a fail, but it's okay. All right, it is okay. I'm gonna push this bitch back. I'm gonna get this bitch back up. My motherfucker driveway. Understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it back up. We might can't get around the corner. We might can't get it out the corner. We can get it up the driveway. Who said she ain't moving? Who said she ain't moving? At this moment, he fucked up. What was that, Pop? Listen, y'all. All I'm saying is this, bro. That's what I get for playing too much. I don't know what that Pop was. I'm trolling. Yeah. y'all. We gotta make it up the driveway. Well, fellas, that was an epic fail. I'm leaking all condo fluids from my exhaust pipe, so I hope nothing is not busted. It's probably just leaking shit. I gotta look at that, man. For the people who ain't seen under the bit, it's kinda rusty. Kinda my ass, it's rusty. We gotta get a new exhaust pipe and things of that nature. We gotta get her cleaned up. We gotta get a new gas tank for the people who ain't seen the gas tank. We got to get a new gas tank, my boy. We gotta get the rest from up out of here. It's rusty a lot, man. In a lot of spots. So we're gonna have to clean that shit up, man. Let's pull the trunk, man. That's brake release. Let's pull the hood. See that say I'm from there. Feel what I'm saying? Anyway. So when we come back over here, y'all. Okay. So I need a new filter and carburetor off the flap. It's a little hot. So I know this is the problem because it can't breathe. Feel what I'm saying? My pulleys. I'm gonna need a new alternator. I gotta go see if this is gonna fit in here actually, because there's a lot of components to this motherfucker. Or is this I think this is the alternator right here. So we gotta see if the alternator I pull off the 89 DeVille fit. Cause if not, we gonna have to go take it back, y'all. Feel me? I gotta do an oil change on it bit. Basically, you know, basic maintenance for the people who have not locked in and been watching with me. For the people who don't know basically what's going on under the hood and all the things, you know, that we got done and things of that nature. So we don't call these box Chevys. We actually call these Dooders. For the people who don't know what a Dooder is, do y'all research on who we are, and then y'all can understand why we call them Dooders. Dooders and Donk is the same thing. Dooders is just the millennial version. You know what I mean? Giving the culture a little bit more flavor. So we got two interesting, beautiful ass Chevys integrated into my life that I got to start working on. I'm going to try to get her right and ready before it get cold to be rolling and things of that nature. Rolling good though, like not rolling a little bit, make it around the corner, like rolling no problems, rolling good and beautiful. The bad boy in the garage that y'all seen previously, that's a bad motherfucker too. That's having his own problems and complications that I'm going to have to figure out on my own time. Now, for the people in the back who don't know, I got this on my birthday. Yeah, I got this for my birthday. I just turned 22. So this was kind of like my little blessing from God. You know what I mean? To explore the world and different things with y'all boys, man. I got to clean up my yard before I go. Feel me? But yeah, man. I got to get these kinks and shit out my way, man. So I can start painting primer down. Start taking that shit off. Start taking this outer rim off. Things of that nature. Get these dents and kinks out and shit, man. Yeah, that's in there. It's not really a lot major. There's a couple little rust spots, nothing major. Gotta sand this down. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Feel what I'm saying? Get a new mirror. I can get some new rimming, new trimming and shit like that. I need some new rims and tires. I need some. Gotta go buy some. Get this little patched up. See what I'm saying? Little pink metal chips and shit. Gotta get that shit even sanded out. Feel what I'm saying? New headlights. Well, yeah, back headlights. I like this emblem. I ain't gonna take it off, but feel what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna take this off. It was already coming off anyway. Added to my emblem collection. Like, I need, yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, now I'm seeing, oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. For the boys who can't see that, yeah, that's on the trunk. Oh yeah, for sure. I got this on the back. I gotta get this kinked and patched up. This window, the window trim. Shit like that. The hood is rusty and shit. Get some new indoor liner. This shit not no necessity right now. Get this side, grind it up. Y'all seen this in the last video. This probably gonna cause me the most pound of problems. Cause you know, got a little scratch and shit. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get these dents out and shit. Make it all one flat surface. Pull these off, pull that off, feel me? Take these off. I'm gonna take the wheels off one day and we gonna, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get a little bit more busy, man, in the next ongoing weeks, you feel me? What we got in the hood? We gonna get some new headlights. We gonna get the LED joints installed on some different shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, I ain't see this. Dang, bro. I ain't see this, bro. I'm gonna have to, we gonna see. Yeah, remember I told you that LED lights, these little panels right here. We're gonna get some new panels right here. Feel me? Moral of the story, these next couple weeks, we gonna start cooking, fellas, right? So for the boys in the back who don't really know what I be having going on and things of that nature, this is a classic car channel. We gonna get into other cars later, maybe a car business later, but for right now, this is strictly classic car content. I'm trying to get a new, all right, y'all, so I got a new segment too, by the way. If y'all have an old school that would like to be broadcasted on my channel, let me know. I'm gonna pull up on you. I'm gonna ask you various questions about your love for old schools, what made you buy these, your customizations, where you learn to love your cars from. Hey man, we got a lot of shit, man. Car shows, all that shit, man. I might not implement my car right now at the moment, but we will be going to those and y'all will be seeing those, man. Kansas City does have car culture. So for the people who don't know about the Kansas City car culture, I'm gonna explain it to y'all in detail a little bit right now. All right, y'all, so this is what I was gonna do on the inside on like some different shit. Had this like right here. Had an Impala one over there or under it. Boom. Had a Cadillac emblem like on the side of it. Boom. This is gonna be cool. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll get y'all last look. All right, another thing though. Headliner, man. That's gonna be another video that I want to get done immediately, bro. I need some headliner. I think I'm gonna keep these all original, man. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this all original. I'm gonna just unscrew it, unhook it on both sides. And when I put the new headliner in and shit like that, you feel me? When I put the new headliner in and shit like that, just screw them bitches back on. Get them some new little straps. See what I'm saying? For the shit, nigga. Where that bitch at? This is the shit I'm talking about right here. Screw them bitches back on. Give me some, probably re-wrap them this color. Feel me? You know this is the OG. Look at this motherfucker. All natural. These are all the emblems that I have collected at the moment. That's gonna go on the dash. So, yeah, fellas. It's time to go in the goddamn house. Kansas City does have car culture. So for the people who don't know about the Kansas City car culture, I'm gonna explain it to y'all in detail a little bit right now. What's up, YouTube? I know I'm the only person that's doing this, bro. I know I'm different, I ain't gonna lie. So we about to talk about Swope and the car show history of Swope. We gonna make this quick because y'all know I do not like being here all day on no platform, my boy. I got things to do. Swope Park, right? Swope is one of the largest urban parks in the United States, covering over 1,800 acres. It was established in the late 19th century, my boy. It has become a central recreational space for the city, my boy. Over time, it developed a hub for culture, events, cars, music, and partying, including gatherings, car meets, birthday parties, charades, anything, bro. They was there. All right, y'all. So we're going to start off from the 1950s through the 1970s. The car culture in Kansas City, specifically around Swope, started off in the 1950s and the 1960s. Don't ask me how I know. I'm not that old. I just know I know, my boy. When cruising became a popular thing, you know what I'm saying? Car enthusiasts often focused on muscle cars and lowriders, if you know what I'm saying. That look, you know what I'm saying? They would all gather around and show off their rides like we're seeing right now. You know, talk that player talk shop talk. Impalas, Monte Carlos, Caprices. All these Chevy models became staples, feel me? So we get to the 1980s and the 1990s, you know what I'm saying? Y'all mama when daddy was born around that time, you know what I'm saying? Listen, around the 1980s and 90s, Swope Park became a bigger hotspot for car enthusiasts. So like they did in the 50s and 60s, they would bring their old school around and show off their modifications and lowriders. Street races, LS Custom, 305s, 345s. Lowriders and custom builds was significant around that time. So if your daddy had one, you know he was rolling clean. And no, Chevy was not the only one out there. We had Caddy DeVille's out there to ask your grandpappy. All this was a glorious time, specifically for the African American community. Specifically for the African American community. You can't forget the Latinos in Kansas City. They be throwing down in that mud. Shout out to Latinos and the African Americans for coming a long way from the car culture, my boy. So, Swope Park is really a significant place for us in Kansas City. It may be dangerous and things like that. You might go out there and get shot, but you're going to have fun, though. I know that. So, in the present day, we can still go out and see a beautiful car show for the city, but it's real dangerous. They done stricken it up. Them young boys is outside and they coming for you on accident. Sunday fun day ain't fun no more. But it still show love for the city, man. And me being from the city, I'm trying to get it to where it ain't dangerous no more. I wouldn't say no more, but you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to get it to where we can show the culture a little bit more like we used to back in the day. Because I know that there's car enthusiasts all over the globe. But specifically in my city, because you see them every day. They always out, just chilling. Cutlasses, LS's in the cut chilling. Bring them out, man. There's still a community of people who love cars like me. Talk about deep rooted like me. But anyway, YouTube, man, that is the culture on Kansas City and Swope, man, and the culture of cars in that section of where we come from and the things that we embody as a culture, man. So for the people in the back, man, I am from Kansas City. Kansas City, Missouri, Kansas City. It don't matter, bro, because for the people who don't live here, it doesn't matter to them. We're all a collective. Only people from here cares about what the fuck. Y'all from the same part, my boy. To them. I'm still not messing with you Kansas Cityans. Kansas City, Kansasans, not Kansas City, Missourians. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yes, I am from this city. The people on YouTube who don't know me. We got bigger fish to fry than Patrick Mahomes. Believe me. Patrick Mahomes is not going to pay our bills, but y'all going to go buy his jersey. That don't got nothing to do with me. I got bigger fish to fry, my boy. So for all the people who watching, I'm not showing no disrespect. I love Patty. Keep putting on for my city, my boy. I love everybody. But he not going to pay for my old school. He not going to pay for my old school. He going to get us that 3-peat, though. He going to get us that 3-peat, though.